How to appear offline on Roblox. Looking for a quick and simple way to appear offline on Roblox? In this video, I'll walk you through the exact privacy settings you can change to lower your visibility and play with fewer interruptions. And if you enjoy simple step-by-step tutorials, make sure to subscribe for more helpful how-to guides. Let's get started. First, open Roblox and click the gear icon in the top right corner. Select Settings, then open the Privacy tab. Next, find Visibility and Private Servers and open the Visibility settings. Here, change the available options to No One. After changing these settings, some options may be disabled automatically. These privacy settings can limit how other players interact with you and make it harder for them to contact or join you while you're playing. However, keep in mind that Roblox doesn't currently provide a true Appear Offline feature. Depending on Roblox's current privacy settings, your friends may still be able to see that you're online or playing a game. So while these settings won't completely hide your online status, they can help reduce unwanted interactions and give you more privacy while playing. And that's how you can adjust your Roblox privacy settings to appear offline as much as possible. If this tutorial helped you out, subscribe to the channel for more simple how-to guides, useful tips, and easy tech solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.